Greetings, tech warriors. Today, we delve into the realm of mobile gaming royalty with the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro. This phone promises unbridled power, immersive visuals, and ultimate control. But does it claim the throne, or is it just another challenger falling short? Let's grab our virtual swords and dive in. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more informational videos like this. And be sure to watch this video to the end. Without further ado, let's get started. Design and build. The ROG Phone 8 Pro exudes a gamer's aura. The sleek yet aggressive design, accented by the transparent back with customizable RGB lighting, screams performance. Ergonomic grips ensure comfortable extended gaming sessions, and the phone feels reassuringly solid. It's a statement piece, but not without function. Performance and power. The ROG Phone 8 Pro packs the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 512GB 16GB RAM, or 1TB 24GB RAM, a powerhouse that devours even the most demanding games. I threw everything at it, from high-end titles like Genshin Impact to emulators, and it handled everything with buttery smooth performance. Display and sound. The visuals are another highlight. The 6.78-inch AMOLED display boasts a smooth 165 Hz refresh rate, making every action feel incredibly responsive. Colors are vibrant and punchy, immersing you in the game world. And let's not forget the sound. The front-facing speakers deliver surprisingly rich and loud audio, further enhancing the gaming experience. Camera. While the ROG Phone 8 Pro shines in gaming, other aspects are not neglected. It has 50-megapixel main camera, 32-megapixel telephoto or 13-megapixel ultra-wide system takes decent photos, and videos, especially in good lighting. Battery life. Battery life is respectable. It has 5,500 mAh battery, lasting a full day with moderate usage. However, heavy gaming will drain the battery faster, so a charger might be your best friend. Aero Active Cooler X External Fan. The Aero Active Cooler X is pretty plasticky and does not match the phone's high-end build exactly. But when gaming with it attached, the phone remained cool to the touch and performance was excellent. But I appreciate how light it is. Thanks for watching this review. I hope this video is informational and helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please like it and also click on the subscribe button so you won't miss out on our next video. For the time being, goodbye.